All right, good morning, guys. We are on lesson 9 homework, page 76. Number 1 says a vending machine has 5 colors of gumballs and an equal chance of dispensing each. The second machine has 4 different animal shapes and an equal chance of dispensing each. You buy one item from each machine. What's the probability of getting a yellow gumball and a lion band? Okay, well, how many choices do I have? I got 5 colors and 4 animal shapes. 5 times 4 is 20. Now, if I would make a list, how many different ways could you get a yellow? That's only going to happen one way, right? Can't draw anything other than yellow. If I want a yellow, getting a blue obviously isn't a yellow, a green, and so on. So there's only one way to do that. How many different ways can I draw a lion? Again, just one. If I draw an elephant, it's not a lion. Okay, so there's actually only one way to do it. You have to get yellow and lion. No other thing would give you a yellow and a lion, which is pretty self-explanatory. You could write out all 20 choices if you wanted to. You could draw a white lion, white elephant, white horse, white alligator, red, write them all out if you want. There'll only be one yellow gumball and a lion. Number 2. Numbers 1 through 10 are put in a bag. Numbers 5 through 14 are put in another bag. When you pick one number from each bag, what is the probability that you will get the same number? Okay, well, we have to write down how many choices there are first. 10 numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's another 10 numbers. So there's 100 total choices. Okay. How many numbers now could I draw that are the same? Well, I can't draw a 1 out of each bag. I can't draw a 2, but I can draw a 5 and a 5, 6 and a 6, 7 and a 7, 8 and an 8, 9 and a 9, and 10 out of 10. I can't draw an 11 and 11 because there's no 11 here, obviously. All right, so that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 100. Again, we're going to reduce that. We'll divide by 2. Probability will be 3 out of 50. Number 3, when rolling 3 number cubes, the probability of all 3 numbers to match is 6 out of 216. Okay, so 6 out of the 216, and they got that by saying 6 times 6 times 6. What's the probability all 3 will not match? Well, if 6 times they do match, that means 210 times they do not match. Okay, 210 times they do not match. We're going to reduce that. Three should go into both of those. Divide by 2. And I think that's it. Which makes sense. This would be 1 over 36, right? So that means 35 of the times it won't work. All right. Number 4, for each event, write the sample space. Tell how many outcomes there are. Okay, you can make a list, tree diagram, whatever. Rolling a dice. So that means I can get 1 through 6. And flipping a quarter, that means I can get heads or tails. So I could get 1 through 6 with the heads, and I can get 1 through 6 with the tails. That's a total of 12 outcomes. Okay, select a month, and it's either 2020 or 2025. So I'm just going to number the months. And it's either going to be 20 or 25. So I'm doing a row of 2020. So January 2020, I could get January 2025. February 2020, February 25. Okay, so you got 12 choices and you got 2 choices. That should be a total of 24 outcomes. On a graph, the area versus its perimeter. Add some more ordered pairs to the graph. That should be simple. Okay, so let's say the perimeter of a square is 8. What is the area? Well, if the perimeter is 8, okay, if the perimeter is 8, that means each side is 2. Perimeter is 8, each side is 2, that means area is 4. Let's say the perimeter is 12. That means each side is 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So the area would be 9. So 12, 9. Okay. Now, there's a couple points. So hopefully you see that there is no way to connect all those with a straight line. Is there a proportional relationship? Okay, no. Why? Sorry about that O being awfully drawn. They don't connect with a nice straight line. And if you'd go this way, you'd notice that even more. Easy one is perimeter is 4. That means each side is 1. So I probably should put that one on there. Okay, they don't line up, and it doesn't go through the origin. Okay, both those things have to happen, right? Both those things have to happen to be a proportional relationship. All right, that concludes the homework for Lesson 9. We will talk to you soon, guys. Continue to stay safe and healthy. Bye-bye.